spot.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power button from a Dell Inspiron 14 version 3451. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, you're going to unlock and lift battery out of laptop. Then unscrew and remove access door. Next, unplug hard drive cable. Now unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew bottom base. Next, press in keyboard latches and loosen keyboard. Then unplug and remove keyboard. Now unplug power button and touchpad cables. Next, unscrew and remove palmrest. Now unscrew and remove power buttons. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.